All right, so let's move on to question 3 on exam 1. So it says in figure, oh no, okay. How do I read? So let's draw out first the figure. So we have, all right, so there's our x, this is our y. We're given a vector b, and we're given a vector c. They're saying that from here, this is 22 degrees, and they're saying from here, this is 33 degrees. This is vector b. The magnitude for b is 5.6, and this is c, and the magnitude of c is 4. Magnitude is 4.8 of c. So we cannot use the 22. So we have to use the vector towards the x-axis. So it's going to be this. Not we're going to be using that one. We need to find that one. This angle right here. We need to find this angle. So basically to do that, we know that the fourth quadrant in total is 90 degrees. So we subtract 90 degrees from the 22, which gives us 68 degrees. So this angle is 68. So which is the one that we're gonna use in our equation to find the answer. So to find this, and the same question 3 also says, so vector D equals B minus C, and we have to figure out the magnitude of D. So to do this, we're gonna figure out first the magnitude of the x and y for B and the x and y of vector C. So let's do this by doing this. B is gonna be equal to our vector for B, which is 5.6 cosine of 33 degrees, and it's in the second quadrant, so it's a negative x. So we use this negative then it's gonna be plus 5.6 sine of 33, and also it's gonna be negative j. Using our calculator, that gives us negative 4.7 I, negative because the j is being multiplied. So doing this on a calculator gives us, already did this, but it gives us 3.05 j, which this is gonna be our I and our j for vector B, 4.70, negative 3.5. So now we need to find the same thing for C. So we use the magnitude amount, so it's gonna be 4.8 cosine of 68 plus 4.8 of sine 68. So it's gonna be a negative j, or you could say negative y. So I already did this, so it's gonna be 8.0 j minus 4.45 j. So we need to find now D. We need to subtract vector B from vector C. So we have negative 4.7 I minus 3.05 j. That is for B, minus, because we're subtracting it, from 1.8 I minus 4.45 j. So we're gonna write it again, 4.70i minus 3.05. So we're gonna distribute this minus to the 1.8 and to the negative 4.45. So this is gonna be negative 1.8i plus 4.45j. Now when we combine like terms, we're gonna end up with negative 6.50i plus 1.4 1.4. I did. I'll go back. So subtract. No. Like this. Okay. All right. So anyways, 1.4. J. So now to find the vector or the magnitude, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do c squared plus b squared over that. So we're gonna do, let me see if I can do it here. 6.5 squared plus 1.40 squared d. So the total comes out to 6.6. And our options on this question is A, B, C, D, E with 9.2, 5.3, 6.6, 3.2, 8.0. So the answer to this question is 6.6, which comes out to being number C.